guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eyeshadow look over the new Itsmyrayeraye and BH Cosmetics collab eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this when you first open it. These are the contour and highlight colors, and then these are the highlighting shades. Super pretty. I know a lot of people say that this highlight right here looks like Trophy Wife from Fenty, Rihanna's makeup line. And then when you open up this flap, there's a mirror. There are 18 eyeshadows right here. The top are matte, middle are matte, and then the bottom one are all shimmer shades, and they look so pretty. There's such a variety of colors. You have nudes, you have pinks and purple, you even have blue. Like, there's just a little bit of everything, so I'm really excited to try it out. So if you want to see a look using the Itsmyrayeraye and BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, just keep on watching. So as you can see, I already have the base layer of my face down. We're going to get straight into my eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind in Neutralizer from Maybelline. That way the color is super vibrant and it'll have something to cling on to. So I'm actually not going to set it because I feel like the eyeshadow clings on a little better when it's not powder to powder. So I'm going to start out with this color right here, the second color on the top row, and its name is Pancake. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. With this BH Cosmetics brush, I've had it for so long that the words have rubbed off, so I don't know what it's called, but I know it's still online because I saw it the other day, so I'll put the link in the description box down below. And if you're not following me on social media, I'll link my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all that stuff down below as well, so make sure you give me a follow. I scoot up a little closer, that way you can see it a little bit better. I'm also going to take another brush, this black one. It's also from BH Cosmetics, and it's my favorite blending brush. There's like no product on it or anything, and I'm just gonna buff it out. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E28 brush. I'm gonna go in with the first shade in the second row called Spice, and I'm gonna put that exactly where I just put the color Pancake. So as you can see, there is a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing too crazy or anything like that. They are super pigmented, so if there were fallout, I really wouldn't care. And then I am going to go back in with this same brush and buff it out again so the edges aren't harsh and we have a nice gradient. But next I'm going to take this purple shade right here called Friday. It's like a really pretty fuchsia color, and I'm going to go lower in my crease right here, right below the orange. I'm going to take that orange brush and blend it a little bit. And then I'm going to take the brown and buff out all of it. I'm going to go back in with the purple again, Friday, and build it back up. And I'm just going to keep deepening it up with Friday. Every time I add a fuchsia color, I'll go back in with the orange brush with no extra product, and I'll just kind of blend it out. Okay, so for the last color, I think I'm going to go in with Connie, this deep purple right here, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. And I'm using the E230 brush. I'm keeping Connie really low. I only want that on my lid. I'm trying to get it as close to my lash line as possible. And then I'll take the brush that I used for Friday, the fuchsia color, and we're going to blend it out. I'm not adding any new product, just kind of blending upwards. If the dark purple Connie starts to fade away, you can always go back in, add a little bit so it keeps its deep purple color and it doesn't look so faded. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to go with this color right here in Angel, and it's like a bright yellow undertone like metallic white, and I'm going to put that into my tear duct. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. For my brow bone, I'm going to put in the color Nudist. It's the first shade in the top row. Add a little bit of Angel to it, just so there's like some shimmer. So I'm going to go ahead and line my upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. And it's just the black one. For lashes today, I'm going to use the Cocoa Lashes in Queen Bee. I haven't used these in so long, but I think it'll look really pretty with this look. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and add Connie to my bottom lash line, just to make the look a little more smoky. And then I'm going to go in with Friday. So now we are done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face. I'm going to use my Anastasia Quad Blush Kit. And we use the bottom shade right here in Terrence. Put that all on my cheeks. I'm also going to add a little bit of Coastline, which is this coral shade right here. For my highlight, I'm going to go in the Itsmyrayeraye palette. And I'm going to mix these two shades together right here. This one is Moonlight, and then this next one is Radiant. Alright, so last but not least, I'm just going to fill my lips in with the NARS lip liner in the color Vents. I guess that's the color. So that is it for this look. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I am going to be uploading once every week. I'm trying to get there. So if I miss a week, I'm really sorry, but I'm going to try my best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look that I created with the Itsmyrayeraye BH Cosmetics collab eyeshadow palette. And I will see you guys in my next video.